Hello everybody, this is Mike Martin again with a follow-up video on those fake VENON 18 volts Dewalt batteries. Really, well, to make this thing really short and sweet, it's half the price, actually less than half the price to the original ones, but they also provide less than half of the power. So what I did, that's a few months now since I purchased those. We have tried them, on installations. We have installed roofs. We have stuff with them. It's half basically. Whatever it is, it's half. Yeah, they are lighter. You can feel it. They are a little bit smaller. They don't have the power. What can I say? And in a test I did here with the light on, this light on a full charged battery stays on for about an hour and 15. The same thing on the original, about 3 hours. So we are in Costa Rica, so I have to ship those from the States to here, which actually puts them to about 50% of the price from the original. If you're in the States, then they're actually a third. So now you pay a third from the original and you get half the power. It looks like a good deal. For us down here, it's not. So it's I don't know yet how long they're gonna last. This one here is from 2019, so this is, well, it's 2 years old and it still has good power, and I have more of them and they all work very well. I don't know how long they're gonna last. We're gonna maybe do another video as soon as the first one of those dies. So I have 2 of them. They are being used maybe twice a week and charged, discharged. So let's see how long they're gonna last. For my part, I will definitely not buy them again, because the shipping is the same for me from the US to here, and so I rather buy an original product from the manufacturer. I just like quality, and this thing just does not, convince me at all. All right, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe. I have more videos coming on a Land Cruiser, on a stuck Land Cruiser in the jungle in Costa Rica. We pulled them out with a backhoe. And also, if you're into this overland kind of thing, there's another video coming on those winch remotes. Also a surprise there. All right, so subscribe and keep watching. Thank you.